This is the Netherlands. Here, three major European rivers flow into the sea and together they form a delta. In the wetlands, we have found a way to keep the water out by building dikes and draining the land behind it with windmills and pumps. This caused the land to sink and half of the country is now below sea level. Due to climate change, the water is starting to rise in the sea, the rivers and the soil at the same time. In addition, we are dealing with peak rainfall and salinization of agricultural land, and increasingly also with drought, because we drain the water too quickly. What does this mean for our future? Should we endlessly raise the dikes to protect our country? Or do we find other ways to live in harmony with the water? Is this threat also an opportunity to reshape our country and make it even more beautiful and livable, with much more space for amphibious nature, where our homes are high and dry on mounds or move along with the water? This is not just the story of the Netherlands. Millions of people worldwide live near the water who face similar challenges. Also in Japan, here we are on common ground. This is the Dutch Pavilion for the World Expo in Osaka. During the entire expo, Dutch and Japanese sculptors and architects will be working on the future of the delta in the Dutch Pavilion. In a landscape canvas of clay and sand, water and wind, rivers are widened, dams are breached, and new cities arise. Visitors witness this from a safe walkway above the landscape, or they put on boots to join an expedition through this landscape and help shape it. Underneath, visitors are welcomed and introduced to the challenges of the Netherlands and Japan. Visitors leave the pavilion through the sea that connects the Netherlands with other deltas. Let's make our deltas resilient and beautiful again, together.